With the new Arcadia line, Bezzera introduces the pressure control during the brewing process done by a volumetric controller. The coffee brewing can be divided into 3 volumetric segments that can be set at different pressure levels. That is in order to get the best from your single origin or special coffee blends. The profiles with high pressure at the beginning, decreasing during the coffee preparation, will mitigate the bitterness of the coffee. On the other side, low pressure profiles will emphasize the coffee acidity in the espresso coffee preparation. The volumetric pressure control can also be used to have low pressure brewing programs dedicated to tea, extraction or filtering of coffee preparation. We will drive you through the new pressure profile system, explaining the potential of our new Arcadia display line. Beside pressure profile systems, the Arcadia display range has 3 different programs for milk, foaming, the amount of air, and the milk temperature that can be set for different beverage levels: flat, white, cappuccino, latte, and stored in 3 different programs. The water output can have 3 different programs with preset temperature controls obtained by mixing cold water with hot water from the boiler and specific water quantity to get the best from any tea. From standby mode, pressing start, the machine will load the main menu and start heating and loading functions in order to reach the correct working parameters: boiling pressure, groups, temperatures, correct water levels in the boiler, and the main menu can drive you all in the machine functions. Bezzera's volumetric pressure control. Bezzera believes that a brewing pressure profile system based on the volume of coffee can solve many problems, like the approximation of time setting due to the grinding and tamping effect on extraction time, given the better result in coffee extraction due to the brewing profile accuracy. Let's see how to program a pressure profile with our system. Pressing on the icon group, the group setting menu will appear. From the menu, it is possible to set 4 different group temperatures, range, and programs. The beverage quantity, the profile setting must be done with properly ground coffee doses according to the filter's basket capacity. Once obtained the desired quantity of coffee, stopping the brewing, the display will load the profile setting diagram, on which the machine will display the quantity of water used to prepare the coffee, divided in 3 equal segments. Before the first segment, there is a specific graphic section dedicated to the pre-infusion setting done through the solenoid valve closure time. Acting on the graphic segments, it is possible to program the quantity in milliliters and pressures for each segment of the coffee brewing process. From the coffee setting menu, it is possible to access the low pressure menu, setting the filter for coffee and tea. Pressing the long beverage icon, a special program will change the logic of the profile button functions. Once the button is pressed, the machine will start to brew 3 bars for the set volume of water. When we stop the brewing, the machine will start to count the standby time and restart the volumetric dosage setting. When we touch the profile button again, this function will be disabled, selecting again the long beverage icon. The low pressure program enables to set 3 brewing segments at low pressures, divided by time pauses in order to allow the herbal tea